What's up, guys? Nate, back here with another video. Got a pretty sick one for you today. So this was probably the best day, if not one of the best days of bass fishing I've ever had in my entire life. Couldn't even tell you how many fish I caught. I caught three, probably four. I'd say 3 or 4 that were 4+ pounds, and it was probably the most gorgeous place that I've ever fished. It's one of my favorite places to go, and I can't wait to go back. So without further ado, let's get into it. It's warmed up a tiny bit, but it's currently 46 degrees. It's a cold morning. I don't know how that's going to affect the bite, but I guess we're going to find out. We're going to find out one way or another. First things first, we got to get her bang in with a piece of ginger. Oh yeah, that's good. Do better, guys. Clean up after yourself. It's that easy. It's freaking beautiful. Usually we'd go point hopping, but I'm going that way. I got a plan today. I'm trying to stick to it. We'll see. Got the yak all loaded up, ready to go. We do have our electronics today, thank goodness. We got jerkbait, karashi, frog, glide bait, and underspin tied on right now. We're gonna work with that for a little bit. We have made it on the water, and I think I saw some stuff happening on the surface down yonder. That would be super freaking cool if that was the case. But I kind of have a plan today. I kind of do. You know how plans go when you fish. It all goes out the window in, 10 minutes. But I'm usually, I think I said it earlier, I'm usually point hopping pretty much the entire way down. But this time, I'm going to check out a different cove. A cove that I have not been in. And it is the biggest cove that is closest to the dam. Therefore, I'm hoping there might be some bigs in there. Hell yeah, dude. Ooh. See, I just kind of rigged this mount up. I don't know how I feel about it. Let's go, dog. That's a good second fish right there. Weren't recording with the camera, but alright, well, I think we're off to a good start. The first fish I did not film. I did catch a 171 scale died on me, so I guess I must have left it on or something last time, but unfortunately we're not going to be able to have a scale with us today. But we did catch probably, I think that was like probably a 3.5 that we just caught. Again, was not filming. I was live on TikTok trying to engage there for a little bit, but I'm gonna make a circle in this cove, and I'm gonna tie on a different underspin. So this is what I just caught him on. This is a Great Lakes underspin, but I'm gonna switch that out because I've had about 3 of them break on me. The hook break. Yes, break. So I'm gonna put something a little bit thicker on, something a little bit bigger. Hopefully, trigger those bigger bites. And yeah, let's see if we can make that work. All right, y'all. So this is the rig here. We have a 1/2 ounce fish head underspin with just a silver blade, white head, and we are running a 4-inch mare. Kind of like a blue, I would say it's kind of like a, I don't know, what is this color? This is Sexy Shad. I was literally about to say kind of like a Sexy Shad. But yeah, we got a Sexy Shad Crush City mare on our fish head underspin. And this is a little bit bigger than what I was just throwing, so hopefully we can trigger some bigger bites. Hell yeah, let's get after it, dude. No way, dude. That was huge. He's on again. Oh! No way, bro. That was freaking... Oh, dude. That was big, whatever it was. It's definitely getting rougher as we go. Got another one already. Oh, mash. Making up new words out here. Another one right out the gate, dude. That was 2 casts in a row. Might be on to something, bruh. Ooh. There's another one. They're so angry this morning. I love it. Come here. Stop. Come here. Stop. Stop! Ow. Ow. Dang, he freaking bit me. Another one on the underspin. Hey, stop swallowing. Hey. If you stop swallowing, yep, perfect. Good job, buddy. Another one. Let's get it, dude. I'm gonna try this little shit again. Ay. Rub-a-dub-dub. Rub-a-dub-dub. Alright, dude. Lighter. He was right on that stick right there. Right on the stick. I mean, how many are we at now? 4, 5 already? I don't even know. It's what time is it? It's only 9 o'clock. We've already caught a limit. The bite is freaking on right now. Like, this is crazy. It's 9 o'clock. I've already caught like a 3.5. Does it get much better than that? I guess it, I mean, it could. And that's how you get another one. Dang, another little chunky guy. Oh, look at that. Boop. Popped right out. Yes, sir. It's a stubby one. Do my thing on them. Tickle, 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 tickle. I don't know if this is making a difference, but I think it's working. I wasn't sure if that was a fish or not, but it is. Go ahead and pull the net out for him. Woohoo! That is a spawner right there. That's why they're all mad as fuck right now. Yeah, he's all bloodied up on the bottom. Look at that. He's got the blood right there. He's been making a bed. That's what he's doing. That's a pretty big fish right there. I just went over top of him. Just went over top of him. There's a pretty big fish right there. Oh shit. I think that was just the bottom. Now my bait's all fucked up. Just here, let's do this. Oh, dang, these things are tough. Pull the head off of it here. And then, boop. See if that stays on there for a bit. Man, my hands are smelly already. I love it. Like I want to change where my camera's at for a little bit. I think that would be cool. Get a different angle for some of these catches. Sir, went a minute without a bite. We got one. Just trying out some different angles here, you know. Playing with some stuff today. I like this angle. What y'all think? I like it. Ooh, did a flip for us. Hey, yo. Look at how freaking beautiful that fish is. Gorgeous, gorgeous. That's why I come out here, because of this right here. They're just so pretty. Yes, dude. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Let's go! Just a wee little guy. That's another one off of wood. So possibly that's the case. We need to just keep fishing wood, dude. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Thanks, bud. Pulling off for a second. Probably gonna hop out on this beach right here. I'm gonna eat me a little snack, dude. The bites died off. I mean, not 100%. I did just catch one, but man, since the wind has died down, the bite has definitely suffered from that. But I'm gonna fish like these last 2 stump fields, and then I'm probably gonna head back up and hit some pockets and just see what I see. I really want a frogfish. I really want a frogfish. Check out all these lizards around here, dude. That guy. I hope my camera's waterproof. Hell yeah, there's a good one. Went a good little while without a bite, but picked another one off the stumps. I kind of shortened that swim bait up a little bit. I tore the head off of it. They were kind of short striking. It wasn't landing a lot of them anymore, so tore that head off and finally put one in the yak. Somebody found the fish again. The bite has definitely slowed up, but I mean, we're still finding them. We're finding them on the stumps. We're gonna keep running this pattern for a little bit. Beautiful fish. Dude, check out this view. Man, the camera died and I caught a pretty good one. Here, I got a cute selfie for you. I don't know how good you can see it, but I caught a pretty good one. Hell yeah, dude. Oh look, the bait just fell out. Hell yeah. We went a good little bit without a bite again. But back out on the main lake. That's where he's sitting. Beauty. Just missed the net. I just missed him. Dude, look at that. Like, that's freaking wild. How chromed out that guy is. You suck. There we go. Next pocket over. Found us another one. I was trying to get myself situated there. Made a cast to make sure the bait was swimming right and picked up a good one. He done swallowed that thing too, bro. It's another really pretty fish. Solid, dude. At this point, I'm just kind of conserving battery. I do have 2 batteries plugged up to a charging bank, so hopefully we'll be back in business very shortly. But we got another one off of a point, choked. Another, and another one, and another one, made a run to the other side of the lake, picked up another. That's a big one. Oh, yes, sir. Another freaking stud, dude. That's awesome. That's freaking awesome, bro. Hell yeah. I'm over here in some pretty rough water. Didn't feel big, but I'd say that's almost a 5-pounder maybe. That's a fat one. Gosh, that's a pretty fish right there. About knocked him damn self out. Did you hear that? Little guy. Yes, sir. Been a minute since I picked one up. The very next cast. Butte. That's not a pounder. That's big. That's really, really big. Oh my god, that's a freaking giant. No, I got him. Bro. Oh my god. Holy crap. That is a giant right there. Freaking stud, dude. Let's get a weight on this girl. See if we can. Come on, get it to me. It's a 467, almost a 5. Hell yeah, dude. What a beautiful, beautiful fish. Freaking stud. Bye. Well, that, ladies and gentlemen, is my very last mare. Let's put it to good use. Yeah, you're right. I'm lonely.
Alright, our 6-week appointment's coming up.
That's good. Oh, that's a big one.
I'll tell you. What?
No, it's not that big.
Yeah, matter of fact.
Oh, it came off.
Since I was in Utah.
Well, I reckon that concludes the day out there. I got super beat up at the end of that. It got really rough all of a sudden, and I'm just exhausted. I was not having it. So I boogied on to the boat ramp, got all my stuff out, packed up the truck. I think I'm gonna go over to Angel's, get me a nice barbecue sandwich and some devil's backbone on draft. Come on.